you want to keep your work area clean. So think about if you're having people over for a holiday, Thanksgiving, and people dump their coat and they come in the kitchen, you want to make sure they wash their hands. Not everybody does that. What a big step. So you want hands washed and surfaces clean. And then as you're preparing, make sure the cold foods stay chilled. That means they stay consistently at 40 degrees or below, and things that need to be frozen should be at 0 or below. You're done with the eggs, you're done with the dairy that you're cooking with, you're making a pumpkin pie, put them away in the refrigerator. Don't leave things out. And making sure that every kitchen should have at least one food grade thermometer. So you're not just guessing, yeah, that turkey looks like it's done, it's kind of crispy on the outside. Use that thermometer and be familiar with safety temperatures for meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. And then that way, you're making it a safe situation for everyone. When you're reheating things like sauces and gravies and soups, which we do in the holidays, bring them to a total boil, not just a low heat. They've been cold. We want them to be cooked all the way through. And then after things have been sitting out, it's getting to that hour point, nobody's eating it, wrap it up, put it away. Don't leave it out. You want to have the leftovers, come back and get them and reheat them. And then you'll really, really greatly reduce your risk for any foodborne illness.